What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I got a little mini Sephora haul from the Sephora sale. I'm going to be trying out all the products that I did pick up. I only picked up 4 or 5 things, so it's not a super huge haul or anything, but I did want to grab a few things while they were having the sale. So the first thing that I got was this Sephora highlighter. I'm excited to try this because I really love my Fenty Beauty highlighter. Unfortunately, this one's limited edition and I've already hit pan. So I'm trying to find a highlighter that looks something like it. So I'm hoping this one from Sephora is going to be close. So this one, I'm going to go ahead and swatch. This is Fenty's highlighter. I love her. She's gorgeous. She is very natural looking on the skin. And then I'm going to go ahead and swatch the Sephora one right beside of it. Ooh, yeah, they look pretty close, pretty similar. The one from Fenty is probably a little more golden than Sephora, but they look really close, so I'm happy about that. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and use this like right now because why not? Yes, that is beautiful. I love a good blinding highlight, but I love a highlight that melts into the skin, that doesn't sit on top of your skin. I also really like this because it's not glittery, so it doesn't emphasize any of your textures or anything. So cute. Yeah, this is gorgeous. I love it. And I love that you can build this up super affordable. I can't remember exactly what this retails for. $16, I think. Let me check that. I should have done one side Fenty, one side Sephora, but I just feel like so cute. I love that. It looks gorgeous on the skin. It's exactly what I was hoping it would be. So it retails for $14 actually, and it comes in 6 different shades, so they do offer a variety in that, which I'm happy about. Okay, so next up I got the Fenty Diamond Balm. I have been wanting this for so long and I just never got it, but I figured I would pick it up while it was on the sale. This compact is actually a lot bigger than I thought. Like, this is the highlighter, so it is quite a bit bigger than the highlighter. It's so pretty. It is just like so sparkly. I don't know if I can zoom you in so maybe you can see, but oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going to swatch it because I have to. Let's swatch it on my already glittery. Oh yes, this is like the perfect topper for any eye look. That is beautiful. It's just a ton of glitter and it is beautiful. That is stunning. I'm so happy I got that. I am probably going to add just a little to the cheek just so we can see what it's going to look like on the cheek. Yeah, it's going to add that really pretty glitter to your cheek. That is stunning. I love that. That is so pretty. Okay. I'm going to add it to this side to match. If you don't love glitter, you're not going to love this product because that's exactly what it is. It's just a glitter bomb. Okay, so next up I got one of the Patrick Ta Major Dimensions little eyeshadows. These are pricey, okay? The glitter bomb retails for $43, but again, I figured while it's on sale, I'll pick it up. But this little eyeshadow duo, it retails for $42, so it better be spectacular. This is what it looks like. I love anything Patrick Ta though, so I'm sure I'm gonna love this and it looks beautiful. I got it in shade Still at the Club. I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch the 2 shades right beside of the Fenty Gloss Bomb. Hello, camera. Oh yeah, see, it has a ton of glitter in these too, which is what I was wanting. Super smooth. Yeah, these are gonna look stunning. I like that lighter shade a little more than I like the dark brown, but the dark brown I will get a lot of use out of. That's why I went with this particular one, because I just feel like I'll get a lot of use out of these 2 shades, and they are so sparkly. I'm just going to use the Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palette. This is my favorite eyeshadow palette to use. This is the Ethereal Eyes Moonlight palette, And I'm just going to mix these two lighter shades here. And I'm going to go ahead and pop that in the crease. Work it up to the brow. And I will just go ahead and bring that right down onto the lid as well. Just because I want to do like quick, easy, simple look today. So I'm just going to take the top shade out of Patrick Ta and I'm going to apply that all over the lid. And just see, yeah, the sparkle is beautiful. These look just like the Makeup by Mario eyeshadows. Gorgeous. I love the glitter. I'm a sucker for glitter. It makes me happy. So that's why I really wanted to get these. And I love the tone of this top shade. It kind of is like a pewter shade. It's just gorgeous. I mean, the glitter is good. So sparkly. And I think what I'll do is take a little fluffier brush, go into the dark brown shade, and maybe just kind of fluff that on the outer corner. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. I really love that with these shadows, you can kind of build them up to how intense you want them, but you can kind of leave them just like a light wash of color. And just mainly have that glitter peeking through, which is at the end of the day what I want. I just kind of want the lid covered in glitter. But let's go in with the finger and just, my goodness, yeah, the finger just intensifies it. That is stunning. These are definitely eyeshadows that I will be using all the time because I basically used the 3 glitter shades out of the Makeup by Mario palette all the time. So I am so happy to get a few extra shades. I love that I have a dark brown glittery shade as well. That is so pretty. I am loving every single thing that I've gotten so far. Last but not least, I got the Shiseido, I think is how you say it, eyelash curler. Now, this is a pricey eyelash curler, but everybody says that this is like the best eyelash curler that you could use. So that's why I grabbed it, because I'm like, I needed a new eyelash curler anyway. Mine's kind of getting janky. It's kind of getting like twisted on me a little bit. So it's not really curling the lashes the greatest. So we'll see how this one does. This one has a different shape than what I'm used to. It's not as curved. It's kind of flatter, but it really is getting in there and picking up the lashes. Like, I'm able to get so close to my lash band with this. I mean, and it does a really nice job at curling them. Yeah, it's definitely getting in there and picking up all the lashes. I usually would never spend like any type of money on an eyelash curler, but I've really been needing one, so I figured I would grab it during the sale. That's really nice. I actually really love that. I do want to go in and just do a little bit on the lower lash line quickly with the eyeshadow before I add mascara. I'm actually going to be using the new mascara from Makeup by Mario. I didn't pick this up during the sale. I did get this a little sooner, but I'm telling you, this mascara is phenomenal. I love it. I've been using it every day since I've gotten it, and I think it just coats the lashes really well. The wand on this is really nice. I love how it like tapers. I feel like you can get to all of your lashes with this wand. It's not a really wet mascara. It gives you a lot of volume. It does give you length. It's not super lengthening. I think it's more volumizing than it is lengthening, but it doesn't make your eyelashes look clumpy. And a lot of times when you get a volumizing mascara, it makes your lashes look clumpy, and this one does not. It still does a great job at separating the lashes. And this is such a very black mascara. It's phenomenal. I love it. Like I said, I've been using it non-stop since I've gotten it. The formula is not too wet on this either, which I really love. I don't love like a real wet mascara. I don't know if you can tell. If I could just close my eyes a little, but just, it does a great job. Okay, you guys, so that is everything that I got from the Sephora sale, and I have to say that I love everything. Patrick Ta, these are so good. They are pricey, but so very good, and these eyeshadows will last forever. I just love how much sparkle it is to them. The Fenty Diamond Bomb is nothing but glitter, and it is gorgeous. This would be perfect to add on top of any eyeshadow. That's why I really wanted it, because it's going to be so universal to use on no matter what eye look I do. This highlighter from Sephora is so close to this Fenty Beauty highlighter, and I love it. I'm so happy about that, because I was so sad to see this one go, because it really has been my favorite highlighter to use. I'm loving this eyelash color. I think it did a really nice job, and I love that it's not so curved. It's kind of a little more straight, and it's not so curved, so it actually gets all of your lashes, and it's really nice. I will definitely keep using it, but first impressions, really nice. And of course, I'm going to mention the mascara, because I did use the mascara. If you're looking for a new mascara, this one is so good. I've been using it non-stop. I absolutely love it. And I will go ahead and mention Makeup by Mario's eyeshadow palette too. This is his Moonlight palette, and it is worth every single penny. I use this one all the time. This is basically my everyday palette that I use anymore. But let me know down in the comment section if you grabbed anything during this Sephora sale. I love to hear from you guys. But as always, thank you so much for hanging out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!